As part of the Safe Handle stair roll line of products, we offer ADA die cut covers. And these use the same film as the stair roll and have the same paper backing and use the same silver ion that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to keep the film clean. Installation of the die cut covers is easy. You'll notice that they all have a similar pattern to them in that they have a main area, and then there's kind of a notch that you'll see in the die cut, and then it broadens back out into the pattern. That notch is specifically designed to deal with this bend in the ADA handle. So to install it, you simply pull the die cut off the paper backing and line up that notch with that bend. And you want to make sure it's lined up vertically too. Okay, and it's just a very simple installation. You basically wrap it around the front edge, make sure that's all adhered, and then from underneath, roll it up from the bottom, roll it up from the bottom on the end, roll it down from the top. Roll it down from the top, and now you've covered that ADA handle. So that simple installation, now you're covered for 6 months of slow release silver protection to clean that handle 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.